Hi, today I'm reviewing OnePlus Nord CE Lite and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So we should first launch the Play Store because we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. So then just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app and you'll see here all of the available applications. So just to change one from these available apps, let's use the settings one. Select the application. If you want to rename it, just click once here on this name. Here we got library with different icons, or with the folders of the icons. Here we got the photo from our device gallery, or we could also use photo from our device camera just to take a picture right now. So let's use one from these available applications icons. So for example, let's use okay, this is like the message, I think. So let's find the settings. Okay, let's use this one. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. So now we should skip this ads. Just tap to X icon and click to add. Now we could go to desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So this is our new settings icon. Let's just check the default one and the new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.